If HandBrake is showing an error during encoding, that means the crash is happening while it is actively processing your video. The good news is, this is usually fixable, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to narrow down the cause and get your encode working again. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, we want to isolate the encoder. If you are using NVNC, QSV or VCE, your graphics card may be the part crashing under the heavy load. To test that, open HandBrake and go to the Video tab. Then change the video encoder to H.264, also known as X264, which uses software encoding instead of your GPU. After that, start the encoder again. This test is important because it tells you where the problem is coming from. If the encode finishes successfully after switching to X264, then your GPU driver or hardware encoder is likely the issue. In that case, updating your graphics drivers, rolling back to a more stable version, or avoiding hardware encoding may solve the problem. But if the encode still fails, then the issue is probably not your GPU. That usually points to the source file itself. Next, you should disable hardware filters. Even when you use a CPU encoder, HandBrake can still rely on the GPU for filters like resizing, deinterlacing, or other processing steps, and those filters can also cause crashes. To turn that off, go to Tools, then Preferences, and open the Video section. Look for the option that says Enable Hardware Accelerated, Zero Copy Video Filters, and uncheck it. Once that is disabled, restart HandBrake so the change fully takes effect. After restarting, try the encode again. This step helps remove one more layer of GPU involvement, which is useful if the crash is being triggered by a filter rather than the encoder itself. A lot of people overlook this setting, but it can make a big difference when HandBrake fails partway through processing. Now, if the error always happens at the same percentage every time, that is a strong sign that there is a bad frame or damaged section in the original video. For example, if the encode always stops around 45%, the file may have corrupted timestamps or a small problem in the source that HandBrake does not like. In that case, the best fix is to repair the source by remuxing it. For this, download MKVToolNix. Open the program and drag your video file into it, then click Start Multiplexing. What this does is create a new version of your file with repaired timestamps in seconds without re-encoding the whole video. It is a fast and effective way to clean up source file issues that can cause HandBrake to crash during encoding. Once the remux is finished, load the new file into HandBrake and try encoding again. If the original file had a timestamp problem or a bad segment, this often fixes the issue immediately. If not, you have still removed one more possible cause from the list. So to recap, if HandBrake gives you an error during encoding, start by switching from hardware encoding to H.264x264. Then disable hardware accelerated video filters, and if the error always stops at the same point, repair the source file with MKVToolNix and try again. These 3 checks solve most HandBrake encoding crashes. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tutorials like this. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix HandBrake audio errors, subtitle errors, or unsupported video format issues next.